bit of a different video. It's no longer Spirit Finger Sunday. It's Melancholy Monday. I mean, we had a blast building the Tamiya full option Jagdpanther. I think she came out quite special. She's sweet. She's got impact metal tracks. She's got everything. She's got scuhmo this and scuhmo that and ball bearing this and ball bearing that. She's got awesome stuff. She has a Darrell Turner. Bear with me while I undo the little bra strap here. She's got the come on. You gotta open her. You gotta open up for me anyway. Yes. She's got a custom headlight in there, and got the Darrell Turner metal trunnion assembly, scuhmo resin front mantlet. Yeah, she's pretty. She's a slick girl. Metal tow cables. It's a beautiful tank. But unlike some of the larger YouTube channels, this one needs to sell on its children to pay for the next litter. So this has been sold to a fine gentleman by the name of Charlie on YouTube. Hey, Charlie. Yeah, there you go. You're a little famouser now. With my 611 subscribers. So yeah, we're gonna pack this up tonight. Oh, Jesus. As safely as we can. We'll be right back. Battery's almost dead. Lesson learned. Change the battery before we start recording. Either way, we're going to give this a final run test. Just so we all, know it still works. And then we're gonna pull the battery out and pull the radio receiver out, because I share my radio transmitter with a lot of tanks. Charlie will get a tank ready to run, just needs a radio and a battery, and she'll be good to go in her new home in North Carolina. So I was hoping to meet this fine gentleman in person, hand the tank off ever so gently, but unfortunately schedules don't work out sometimes, so I need to ship this sucker 6 hours away to North Carolina, and we will do our best to pack her up and make sure none of our choice work gets tweaked or damaged. Against all the odds of UPS or whoever we shipped it with, we're going to do a really good job there. So we'll be back. We're going to do a quick run test and, just remind everyone of the working headlight and some of the cool stuff Tamiya tanks do when they're going brrr, bang, bang. BRB. Contact. That's the last run for this girl in Pitstain's basement. She is going to get packed up in a cocoon of styrofoam, zip ties, and bubble wrap, along with whatever manuals and other accoutrement that I have for it. Let's not lose our little washer for that. And yeah, she's going to her proud new papa, North Carolina. Oh, I'm going to miss you. And on top of that, if I wanted to build another one, I don't know if I'll ever be able to get another one of those Daryl Turner aluminum trunnions ever again. Those things, it was literally me and a handful of other people begging and pleading for them to do another run, and they did another run. And a handful of us got them, and whoever didn't, well, tough noogies. You're not going to get one. Okay, well, that's it for now. We'll show you her all nested in her cocoon before we pack her up. I came up with a pretty ingenious way of doing this. Sacrificing all the styrofoam out of my Henglong Abrams box. This fits well in there, and I'm going to do some extra things to snug her in and pad her and keep her from shifting about and shipping. And there we go. So, bye-bye, Jagdpanther. We all loved you. You're a great tank. Someone else will love you just as much, though. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Well, like I said, it's Melancholy Monday. But either way, going to a new home, Jagdpanther will live a long, happy life in North Carolina. We'll be back. All right, well, I don't think she's going anywhere. We have beautiful soft foam here. We have some bubble here. We're able to leave the... I don't know how I did this. We're able to leave the antenna on because the styrofoam box from the Abrams, and I'm shipping this in a box that's yay tall, so this should be just fine. I mean, if it gets a tiny bit bent, I highly doubt it, but we're going to brace this thing down in the box so it can't move up. But that's going to be good. We're going to tape the hell shut. No, wrong. Wrong tank. I get the Porsche Turret manual. We got our how to drive your tank manual, our parts list, our color, info packet, little postery thing. So that, and obviously the full build manual. We're going to include those, as is the only correct thing to do. Because he's got to put a radio receiver in it and a battery, know how to open it, close it, know how to basically, tension the tracks. Well, a little different because, she has a... Did we put a Hentech in this thing? I don't remember. They all blur together. All right, we're almost done. BRB. On second thought, we're just going to take the antenna out. He could just throw a dab of crazy glue and pop her back in. I don't want to risk stabbing a UPS person in the hand, God forbid. Not even for the thing. This is a very solid piece of brass, but it's very sharp. So I'm going to wrap this sucker up and tape it into the styrofoam in the top. That would be funny and not funny at the same time. They'd probably ban me from UPS for life if I did that. So we won't do that. Okay, that was all. Little funny moment. Bye-bye. All right, well, she's all boxed up, nice and snug as a bug in a rug, or snug as a Jagdpanther in a hideout to killing other tanks, because it is a tank killer. Either way, bye-bye, Jagdpanther. It was nice while we knew you. But we're working on the King Tiger. A little bit of a setback with the King Tiger. I may have posted something. Look at my community posts for updates. But we're working on it. And then after that, we got the Centurion. However you want to pronounce it. We got a cool British 16 scale tank. Beautiful British tank. I love British tanks. Tamiya has given British tanks 0 love in 16 scale. Finally, they are. People may say, "Oh, why not a Challenger 2?" I love modern tanks. Don't get me wrong. I would take a Challenger 2 from Tamiya. Honestly, I'll take anything from Tamiya. But the Centurion's extra. That's pretty damn special. So yeah, we got that coming. That's what this guy's paying for here, because this is not a sponsored channel. We don't have all that delicious free product and money flowing in to be shills for some brand. I shill for Tamiya for free, obviously. No money required. I kiss their asses unquestionably. So, yeah, Jagdpanther is going to its new daddy in North Carolina. Adios, everybody. It was nice knowing you, Jagdpanther. I hope you have a long, happy, fruitful life. Bye-bye.